This is a flip phone which hits the sweet spot between price and performance. This is the all-new Motorola Razr 70. I'm walking from Motorola, and let's get into it. Straight away you can see the premium presentation. We've really nailed the unboxing experience across the range. And here it is, the Razr 70. First thing, this feels really nice in the hand. Lightweight, compact, and when it's closed, it just disappears in your pocket. And then, the full smartphone experience. But don't worry, the Motorola Razr 70 is IP48 rated, and it was engineered with protection against accidents and the elements such as dust and water. You've got a big, vibrant 6.9-inch 120Hz internal display, perfect for everything from scrolling to streaming. And this is a 3.6-inch external display, super functional, notifications, quick replies, apps, all without needing to open the phone every time. Audio-wise, you have the Dolby Atmos spatial audio, so you can dive into 3D audio and feel sound from every direction and distance in a virtual space. Quick look at the box contents. Charging cable, color match case, paperwork, everything you need without any clutter. This is where the Razr 70 really shines. It's practical. And just like the Ultra, you still get that Razr experience. Using the main camera for selfies, this is one of those features that once you use it, you don't go back. You have a 50 megapixel high-res main camera delivering outstanding low-light performance and eliminating unwanted shakes with OIS, so your photos are crystal clear. Then you have a 50 megapixel ultra-wide with a macro vision. The ultra-wide lens itself is 122 degrees wide, so you can fit nearly 4 times more in the frame compared to a standard lens, and fit more friends into that selfie. Or capture tiny details with macro vision, bringing you 4 times closer to your subject than the standard lens. Battery life is great with over 36 hours of power, so you can do more on a single charge of the 4,800 mAh battery. When it's time to fuel up, 30-watt turbo power gives you power for the day in just 15 minutes. Plus you can enjoy the freedom of wireless charging. This feels like the perfect entry into foldables. You're getting the iconic flip design, great display, solid performance, without going all in on the Ultra. Same iconic flip, just evolved. Like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Hello, Moto.